皆さん、こんにちは。Hello, I am Hitoshi. Thank you for always coming to my channel. Today's topic is 11 steps to get business manager visa. As I explained on this video, making company is not everything to get the visa. Getting business manager visa is an entrance of doing business in Japan. To enter, you need to go forward rightly. The preparation to get the visa will also work for your future visa renewal too. Therefore, you should need much attention and effort in this process. Today, I will explain about 11 steps of the whole process. Okay, let's check it step by step. Number 1. Making concrete business plan and profit loss projection. Just saying, I want to start my business in Japan is not enough. You need to explain about how to make profit, how to expand your business, how to link your existing business with the business in Japan, and so on. And also, you need to explain about the sales loss projection for at least coming 1 year. Number 2, deciding basic items and making articles of association of your company. In this stage, to show that you already have the plan to start business here and you are ready for it, we need to make the articles of association that is necessary for company registration. Number 3, applying for certificate of eligibility of 4 months business manager visa. After finishing the process of number 1 and number 2, we can apply for certificate of eligibility of 4 months business visa. In this stage, without having a company, you can apply for the visa. The inspector will check if your business plan is realistic and feasible, and if you really have the motive to do business in Japan. Number 4, after getting COE, certificate of eligibility, you come to Japan. After getting COE, you can come to Japan and you will get residence card. This visa is not a temporary visitor visa, but residence visa to do business preparation. The period is 120 days, and during this, you need to concentrate on startup preparation. Number 5, registering your address, your personal seal, hanko. Since you are a residence card holder, you can register your address and personal seal, hanko, at the city or ward office of your place. At this stage, you can get your personal seal certificate that is necessary for company registration. Number 6, opening your bank account in Japan. To open your bank account in the banks in Japan, one of the requirements is having residence card. Now you are having it, so you can open your account. And this means when registering of your company, you can transfer capital money from the bank in your country to the account in Japan. Number 7, getting office contract. In any business, in principle, you need to set your office space. You can't set up the office in the same address of your personal domicile. Number 8. Sending 5 million yen to your own account in Japan. As a preparation of registering your company, you need to move your capital money to your bank account in Japan that you already opened. Number 9. Registering your company, LLC, Limited Liability Company. Finally, you can register your company at this stage. As to the form of company, I recommend LLC, Limited Liability Company, or 合同会社 since it is economical. For details, please check this video. I paste the link to the video on the column below. Number 10. Reporting opening of your company to tax offices, etc. After registration of your company, you need to report the open of it to the tax office and relevant authorities, etc. The copy of report is one of the necessary documents for the renewal of your 4-month visa. Number 11. Applying for status change from 4-month visa to regular business manager visa. Usually, it starts from 1 year. At this stage, now all the preparation done, and to start your business in earnest, you need to renew your visa from 4 months to 1 year. If there are changes in initial business plan, you need to submit the revised version. Having 4 months visa does not always mean the extension can be secured 100%. So we should be careful of doing preparation in this stage as well. In addition to these steps, if necessary, you need to get business license from the authorities, etc. before or after the visa renewal. That's all today. Thank you for watching. Bye. またね。